there, Adventures with Jeff, Trucking Adventures. Alright, on the road, heading back to Reno. Yeah, so excited. Been out for about 2 weeks now, and so far logged about 5,600 miles on this 2-week adventure, which has taken me all over the West. Started out in Reno, made it up to Seattle, the tire load there, and I think I got